All right, we're at the Chase Bank in Libertyville. Check out this awesome old retro architecture. And look at the drive-through. That's awesome. I'll let this lady drive by. Check it out. That's really neat. Anyway, I just love old retro architecture like this. This is some awesome 70s. I don't know, I forget what the name of this style is, but I love it. Look at that lobby, that is awesome. That is cool. Anyway, what is not so cool is the fact that the elevator got modernized. RIP. By ThyssenKrupp, apparently. Used to be Dover. Oh, this is awesome. Look, it's, you want really quickly? We're gonna get a look. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. Such awesome old architecture. There's the bank vault, wow. Elevators, even though there's only one. This used to be a Dover. Two is locked. Quickly, let's get a shot of the certificate. Anyway, hold on. I like the square light fixtures too. That will be it.